Have you ever made money through an app? Share with the LifeVersity community which app was that and how much did you make. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 best apps that can make you from $70 to $100 per day. If you haven't subscribed to the LifeVersity channel, pause right there and smash that subscribe button. Do not forget to turn on the notification in order to be notified whenever I put out a new video like this one. And we are getting started right away. App number 6 that you need for you to make from $70 to $150 per day is called Spotify for Artists. And this app can be downloaded for free on either Google Play Store or on your iOS store. And all you need to have your music uploaded to Spotify for Artists is to upload your music using a website called TuneCo. Signing up for TuneCo is as easy as 1, 2, 3. All you need is your email address or a Facebook account, and you can be able to set up an account at TuneCo. In order for you to upload your song, you'll be required to pay a one-time fee of either $9.99 for a single song or $29.99 for an album. And you can upload any number of songs through your TuneCo account. Within 24 hours, TuneCo will have uploaded your music live to Spotify, and now you can use your profile link or your artist link to set up your account on Spotify, and then you can upload a photo, describe yourself in a few words on your Spotify profile for you to create what we call a brand, and you can thereafter sign up to different playlists on Spotify and have your music streaming live on different playlists on Spotify. For every download or every stream of your music, Spotify will pay, and then that amount will be sent to your account at TuneCo. You can begin now making some dollars from your music. With proper marketing, you can make from $70 to up to $200 per day as you continue growing your brand. So be sure to check out Spotify for Artists if you want to kickstart that journey of making between $70 to $150 and above in 2020 and beyond. If you are an artist and you have a good talent to sing, or you are a poet, you can write some good poetry and recite, please take advantage of this opportunity either on Spotify Artists. Then ensure you set up your account on TuneCo and get started. App number 5 that will make you from between $70 to $150 per day is called FOAP. FOAP. And FOAP can be downloaded for free on either Google Play or on your iOS store. And what FOAP simply does is allowing you to upload photos using your smartphone and be paid by uploading those photos. So if you are an excellent photographer, you can take pictures of people, of buildings, of landmarks, and be able to upload it on FOAP. And FOAP pays $10 per photo. So if a visitor visits your FOAP page and downloads or wants to buy the photo you uploaded, they will be charged $10. Out of those $10, FOAP will pay you 50% commission. So out of a single photo, if FOAP is charging $10, you can get $5. And then from those $5, if for example you take 15 photos in a day, and then each photo sells for $5 from FOAP, then you can be able to make a cool $75 and above for only taking 15 pictures in a day. So if for example you are enthusiastic and you can take as many photos as possible in a day, visiting different places as you shoot photos, you can even make 20 photos in a day. And if FOAP pays you $5 out of every photo, you can have a cool $100 and above. So be sure to check out the FOAP app. You can download it for free on either Google Play or your iOS store, and be able to set up your account and begin taking photos. App number 4 that will make you a cool $70 to $150 per day in 2020 and beyond is called Uber. Maybe you've used the Uber app to order for a cab. I have used it severally. But did you know if you have a car that maybe you are not using, is just parked there at home, you can use it to generate income using the Uber app? Yes, you can do that. All you have to do is to download the Uber app and then register your car, set up your profile, and within a few minutes you'll have your Uber account up and running. And any person online who needs transportation services can simply call you or text you on the Uber app, and you can go pick them up and take them wherever they want to go, and you can make money by simply transporting people wherever they want to go. So take advantage of the Uber app, or there is also another app similar to Uber called Bolt, in order for you to make your car into an asset. If you have a car that is just hanging around, a liability, taking a lot of gas, you can convert it into an asset by simply registering it on your Uber or Bolt app, and be able to start receiving those orders as you take people to wherever they want to go. In a single day, you can make well over $200 using your Uber app and your car for that matter. So be sure to check out the Uber app, especially if you have a car that is just lying at home, and be able to take advantage and make a few more extra dollars in 2020 and beyond. App number 3 that can make you a cool $70 to $150 per day is called MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. You can download the MetaTrader app directly from your Google Play Store or your iOS store. And before starting to use that app, you need to sign up for a free forex trading account using agencies we call brokers, and there are different brokers. For instance, we have FBS or XM. I've put a link to FBS in the description. You can simply tap on that link and set up your free forex trading account, and you'll only be required to log in using your email and set up a password, of course, and then be able to confirm your identity, your telephone number, and your email address to get started. After signing up, you will be required to deposit the amount you want to invest in order for you to access the forex trading market. After investing, for instance, $200, you will be able to access the market. During sign up, you'll also be given your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 login password. Using that password and login information, you can be able to log into your MetaTrader 4 app and access the currency quotes. Currency quotes are simply how different currencies are trading against each other. For example, the USD versus the Japanese yen, that is the United States dollar versus the Japanese yen, and much more, or the euro versus the United States dollar. Just how different currencies are trading against each other, as you can see. And you can now be able to log into your MetaTrader app and either buy or sell using the investment you had put up. Personally, I trade using MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and in a day I can make approximately $100 and above on a $200 investment. So if you have, for instance, $1,000 invested, you can make well over $100 per day, because the more the money you have, the easier it is to trade and the more the profit you make. So be sure to check out the MetaTrader 4 stroke MetaTrader 5 app in order for you to start trading foreign currency online and be able to increase your financial portfolio. Most importantly, you need to have some money to start with. $200 and above is just comfortable enough to launch you into the forex, into the world of forex trading. So ensure you check out MetaTrader 4 and 5. App number 2 that will make you a cool $70 to $150 per day in 2020 and beyond is called Fiverr. I know you've heard me talk about Fiverr in the previous videos, but yes, this is one of the apps you want to check out. And if you are a freelancer or you are a writer, any talent, you are a graphic designer, you are a programmer, you can be able to make money using this app called Fiverr. All you have to do is to download the app on Google Play Store or on your iOS store, set up your profile, tell people who want to buy from you which services you can offer. If you are a graphic designer or a programmer or a translator, a transcriptor, and much more, you can be able to offer those services at a fee. Averagely, people on Fiverr charge $5 per hour for the services offered. And for instance, if you work for 10 hours and you are offering premium services and you can charge, let me say, $25 per hour, you will be having a cool $100 and above. And if you can be able to market your services well and be able to get many clients hiring you or buying your gigs on Fiverr, you can be able to make a consistent salary selling your services on Fiverr. So be able to check out Fiverr and sign up using either Facebook or your email, set up your account, and be able to start selling your services online. Finally, app number one that can make you between $70 to $150 per day is called YouTube. You've heard me talk about YouTube in my previous videos, and yes, this is one of the greatest apps you want to check out for passive income in 2020 and beyond. And all you need for you to have your YouTube account generating money for you is to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours, and from there you can have all your videos monetized. So if you can be able to shoot videos and educate people or entertain people on whichever topic you are comfortable or talented in, then you can be able to make money from YouTube. Using a camera of your smartphone or buying a high-end camera will be able to work, but for the beginning you can just shoot simple videos using your smartphone camera, and then once you are monetized, or if you have the enough funding, you can be able to buy a camera even before you are monetized and begin shooting those amazing videos, posting them on YouTube. After you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours, you can be able to monetize your YouTube channel. So you also need to market your YouTube channel as you grow to ensure that you hit the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 view hours in less than a year, in order for you to have your YouTube monetized and you earning what we call passive income from YouTube. So be sure to check out YouTube. It's an amazing source of passive income that you can leverage to increase or improve your financial portfolio in 2020 and beyond. That's it for this video, guys. The 6 best apps that will be able to make you between $70 to $150 per day in 2020 and beyond. If you haven't subscribed to the LifeVersity channel, kindly pause right there and smash that subscribe button. Remember to turn on the notification in order for you to be notified whenever I post a new video like this